And we're back to learning CapCut in a year day 115. Let me show the mouth reshape options. I add the original clip 2 times and I go to the top one. Under video, retouch, we'll find the options. Just close the retouching and the auto styles and then you should see auto reshape. Make sure that this drop down is open. In our case, we only have a single person, but you can also add it to a group. Switch to mouth, and then you can adjust the mouth via these sliders. Size is currently the only one that's freely available. The other ones have this diamond icon, which means if they're pro features, they're going to cost you credits, but you can adjust that in multiple ways. And as always with these features, it's actually pretty stable. So once again, it's under video, retouch, and the auto reshape, and there's simply switch to mouth. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.